Hello folks, this is the unboxing of the SCS DR-7800 Pactor modem, and it will be replacing a software TNC that is right here for this radio. So it's a very complicated process of allowing this sound card to be connected to this computer, and the computer has to do all of the processing for the radio when it receives signals for things like WinLink. So this is basically a hardware modem, and it's proprietary, but they've gone into a lot of setup to make sure that the modem works really well. So it's going to allow me to use my computer without having it connected to my radio or anything else, because it has a Bluetooth connection. So because it's a hardware modem, all the processing is done on the modem, which is that's what it does best. So anyways, this is the unboxing. Pretty well packaged. And then today I'm going to hook this up. I have cables for my GPS and a power cable. It's a DR-7800, and it's Pactor 3 and 4. It is supposed to be Bluetooth. We will check on that and make sure. That's what I paid for. Make sure I don't cut anything here. I'm going to raise the lid. There we go. Okay. An invoice. That shows all the options that I paid for. Packaging materials. So I went ahead and paid for cables to automatically be set up for my radio. I don't want to have to go through and deal with that. I got a couple of ferrite beads. Users can save a little bit of money getting cables that are built, but I let the professionals do that. More ferrite beads. This is a USB connector for connecting it to my computer directly if I desire to do so. Looks like I've got a driver card or driver file and the software manual, written in German and English, full color. Pretty cool. Alright, so here it is. It's got a protective coating here on the front. Information about, I got it from White Squall Consulting in Canada. And then those are the connectors in the back. So power right here. This will control my radio. This will be the audio from my radio. If I choose to do so, I can connect this directly to my computer. Dip switches for controlling the LAN connection. I do not have LAN option enabled right now. And then my GPS connection, which I will be connecting that today. And this right here. So this will be DC in. We'll have a simple connector with a 5.5 millimeter connector. I'm using an old Linksys modem or router transformer, 1000 milliamps, which is more than enough to power this thing. So that's it. Look at that beauty. Wonderful. Alright, take care. Thanks for watching.